I know some of you were using the paper like this for the Cornell method. You might want to still continue to use it because I'm going to be reading to you a little bit more about some immigration material, and we are going to be beginning today to write our opinion pieces. Who can tell me what an opinion is? Kimba, tell me what an opinion is. Very good. It's something that you think or that you feel about something. But is it just what you think or what you feel? Because I think that my glasses are very ugly and they make me look like a man. Okay? Nothing wrong with it, being a man or looking like a man. But uh, some more information about that opinion. What? Randall. Yes, it's not just okay, and that was a very good answer, Kim. But it is what you think and what you feel. But just as what Randall says, it's when you actually look things up. Okay, when you base it on facts and information, okay, and that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be taking some information that we have been doing the last few days on immigration, and and today we're going to be talking about real hot spot topic. Real hot spot, that means something that a lot of people have been talking about, and sometimes it's good and sometimes it's bad. That's hotspot. Uh, that a lot of people have been talking about illegal immigration, and I'm going to read to you something from a man named Roberto Gonzalez, and Roberto Gonzalez is a professor, and he gathered this information from from different sources, and uh, he is talking about undocumented children that are living in the United States. He says today undocumented Mexican children are coming of age amid a storm of anti immigrant discourse and activity, as hate crimes directed largely against Latino immigrants have gained increasing visibility. Federal immigration enforcement activity has also intensified. Since 1997, formal agreements between federal immigration and customs enforcement, ICE, that's ICE, and local law enforcement create a climate of racial profiling and community insecurity. In the first 5.5 years, the Obama administration deported over 2 million people, with deportations reaching a peak of over just 400,000 in 2012. That's a lot of people. In 2010, Arizona passed Senate Bill 1070, an unusually broad and harsh immigration law. Its controversial enforcement provision, commonly known as "Show me your papers," conflated Mexican immigrant and illegal, those are words, resulting in illegal justification for racial profiling. In other words, what they were saying, that if you looked Mexican, if you looked immigrant, or if you looked illegal, they stopped you and they looked at your papers. Following the lead of Arizona, several other states levied sanctions against employers, and empowered local police to check for citizenship status. Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to take these questions. Okay, these questions are going to be your topics. You're going to choose one of these questions to be the thing that you're going to look up the information on. We're going to read through these questions and see which one you'd like to do the research on, and you'd like to make an opinion or take the information and base your opinion on. The first one is the presence of undocumented immigrants affects crime rates. Some people, okay, say that crime goes up because of illegal immigrants. Some people say it goes down because of illegal immigrants. Get the information, look it up. Okay, does the crime rate go down or does it go up? There's information out there on the internet. Okay, Gapminder. Does it go up or down? You tell me. Okay, let's read another one. Ty, could you read it for us? Do they deserve to be treated with respect? Okay, Robert. Number 4. Do they matter? Do they matter? Number 5, Sasha. Are they an American? Are they an American? Ramesh, number 6. Should they take that chance? That's a good question. Marvin, number 7. Yep, that's the great American dream. Okay, why don't they? That's a good question. Kola, number 8. A lot of countries trade military service for citizenship. Should the United States? That's a good question. Number 9, Quinn. Yes, that's a broad one. That's a very broad one. What do you think about it? About the whole thing? What do you think about illegal immigration? That would be probably the one you'd gather a lot of information and then present your idea on that. The one thing I'm going to ask you to do is to not, and you're not the kind of people to do that, but just don't, please, in your opinion pieces, use ugly terms or mean words about other groups of people in your writing. Okay, it's something that I will not tolerate, and I will hand your paper back to you. And it's a good thing to start out your life in the United States or in, as an American citizen. It's just a good thing, not to start that. It's just, that's just me. Okay. Right now, we're going to get in our partner groups, but before we do that, we're going to go to my favorite thing, which is that I've found on the web, which is mind map. Okay, and mind map is from a place called freemind.com, and you can go, and it's one of those shareable, those shareware things that you can get, okay, that teachers just love, because we can go and I wish I could code, because I'd go in there and I'd help them with their code. I really would.